This edition of Nooner Garage, we finally get to work on the Nova and get some disassembly done on the interior. And I'm also starting on the next video of 6 liter disassembly. So hope you enjoy. Turn on the light here. Nice little pile of mouse turds and junk in there. Not as bad as I thought it would be, though. These mice had a favorite place. Up on top of the headliner. I thought I had a decent headliner, and it did actually look pretty decent from the bottom side, but holy moly. It's like 3 or 4 inches thick. That is crazy. I think this one's going to choke the vacuum a few more times. Whew. Starting the tear down of the short block, got it to rotate over, sucked the cylinders down with WD-40 again, and it was a little sticky. Let's see, what is this? 135, cylinder 5 had quite a bit more rust than the other cylinders. Took a piece of sandpaper right there and scuffed it around in there to break that free a little bit, along with a little bit extra spray of WD-40. The others are all better shape. None of them are great shape by any means, but we'll put new rings in it and do a fresh dingle ball hone and clean up these pistons and rods. Actually, Donnie has some rods for me, some Gen 4 rods, but anyway, we'll get it disassembled. I got to mark the rods and the caps and the mains and get those pulled off, but she does at least rotate, so that's a good thing. So in the stop motion video, we got the 6-liter tore down. Still got some cleanup work to do, obviously. Crank is still in it. Bearings looked great. Got some parts in. This is engine mounts from iFab and Speed, Ingenuity Fab and Speed. Got a pan gasket there. Got a couple other gaskets coming. Made the sloppy stage 2 camshaft. Got that ordered off of Amazon from Elgin. Got the parts down there. Need to clean up some of those things that are going to go back on. Got the pistons and rods soaking in a bucket of solvent over here. Didn't have a lid for that bucket, so just stuck some plastic bags over the top to keep my solvent from evaporating. And after that, man, we got to start prepping stuff to go into the car. So we hopefully get some action going on in this area here and get some more good stuff coming to you. So until next time, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.